Okay, astronomy requirement 2 says explain what light pollution is and how it and air pollution affect astronomy. Okay, light pollution is caused by too much artificial light illuminating the night sky, and this prevents you from seeing dim stars and other planets, and it ruins your night vision. So, electric lights at nighttime, they send out a lot of excessive light, and that gets reflected around the gases in the atmosphere, and it makes the whole sky less dark. And just changing the brightness of the sky a little bit makes a lot of celestial objects not visible. The dimmer stars, things like the gases in the Milky Way that get illuminated by the stars, they become invisible due to excessive light. And this is a big problem in the city. So we live close to Los Angeles. There's lots of buildings and structures around us, and so it can be difficult to see at nighttime because of light pollution. You're better off going to a park or ideally up into the mountains or out into the desert to see celestial objects because there's a lot less light. Air pollution can also obscure dim objects. We live in the Los Angeles area, and as you know, there is significant air pollution here at times. So that causes a haze in the sky, and there's dust, there's other chemical air pollutants, and all of those things dim and blur and make the sky cloudier, and that makes it much more difficult to make observations, astronomical observations. The best time to make an astronomical observation is after it rains. So the rain gets a lot of the pollution out of the sky and it makes it crystal clear, and that's really good for making observations. So here you can see the image on the left shows typical night. There's a lot of artificial light, and the sky, you can just see a few dim stars in the sky. Now the image on the right shows the same location, but during a power outage. All the lights have turned off, and you just have a few candles and things in the home. And up in the sky, you can see many more stars, and you can see the gases of the Milky Way, which can be really exciting to see. So that is Astronomy 2. Please find your parent and guardian and relay to them that information so you can pass off this requirement.